Hi there, and welcome to the weekly market update. This is Ronaldo Soriano speaking from Enlightened Super Trade Education. Just a couple of announcements. The site will be down for the next 2 days as the site is currently being updated for a better experience for the user. At the same time, the next free webinar will be on June 15, so keep an eye on that. So next webinar will be June 15. Alright, let's go through and have a look at the weekly chart right here based on the Dow Jones Industrial 30. And you can see here from last week we have a nice clear hangman. If you notice here, I have a primary, secondary, tertiary, then you have a fourth and fifth. Currently, part of that I put in that because it's very important. Let me maximize that. And I put also that uptrend line right there based on the closing price. Rebounding, came back up, and the bulls, there are a lot of buying pressure pretty much in the end. As far as I'm concerned, the correction is now finished from the high from 15,502 all the way down to 14,856, a 700 point drop to the downside in terms of correction. Medium to longer term, in my perspective, is a continuation to the upside of the trend, unless of course is when the high is no longer going to be where it's going to be surpassed. So in other words, no longer higher high. So that's the caveat for it. Alright, so medium in terms of the weekly, the bulls are in control. I'm bullish. Daily chart, if you can see based on the daily chart right here, last Friday was a strong push to the upside. So pretty much 2 days to the downside, 2 days to the upside. Clear breakout in terms of the short-term primary downtrend from a higher high, higher low, trying to stabilize itself, 15.3, and then the next one is a continuation. You can see a continuation to the momentum to the upside, back to 15.4 and above 15.521 right there, 15.521, which is basically the highs. So in terms of the projection, 15.521 is the price to beat. Probability can go all the way up in there. It's highly probable. That's less than 300 points pretty much to the upside. Part of the stabilization, if it doesn't want to continue the momentum to the upside, then a slight minor correction back down to 15.108, 15.144, and then from a higher high, higher low, higher high, or stabilization, continuation, higher high, before higher low, higher high. Great, so it's very simple in terms of the plan of the markets basically this week. Medium, short term medium, and longer term very bullish. But in terms of within this week, if it doesn't want to stabilize, correct itself, then continuation. Alrighty, this is it for me. Thank you very much for listening. Take care until next time. Happy trading.